Alright, here we go again. Just finished up this box. Got it looking pretty good, I think. It's going to blend in good once she's painted and everything. Did that, like you said, the last video, so I could extend and I could put some electronics up here. Piece of metal, grinder, drill, rivets, and a file. And that's what we built. And what happened, I had to square up here. So this right here is square because the boat's not level because I got it for drainage. Crap. Hold on. Sorry, mashing the wrong button. Square up from here up, and that gave me my piece right here, so that should be square, close to square to that. So when I scratched my line, pulled this over, popped my rivets, this one comes up to about here, and I cut it back at an angle so this catches that corner, same side on the other thing on the other side. And what I'll do is I'll put a rivet here and a rivet on the other side, and if he's strong I'll leave it, if not I'll put one on top. I've also done a small bend, if you can see it, where's it at? A small bend under here, that little lip right there. Yep, there you go. That little lip right there, I bent that over to add a little bit more strength to it too. And so what I can do is I can get up in there, put some electronics on there, and have a little bit more room. Anyway, just want to give you an update on that. That's how that came out. So once she's painted, I think she'll be all right. And like I said, the other side looks the same way. I just don't feel like crawling in the boat right now. But and I'm going to put some shelves down here at the bottom, cross beam attached to that, and what that'll do is that'll keep that from wiggling back and forth. It should tighten that up. And then I'm possibly going to put a bar up there, up and around and back down, and then put a little window on there. Anyway, that's an update for early in the morning. Just finished it, and we're going to rivet her down, and once she's painted up she should look pretty good. If not, I'll take it off and start over.